Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Spanish ebook before it's gone.
Cualquier cosa que la mente humana pueda concebir o creer, se puede conseguir. Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Sky's the limit. El mayor de los peligros para la mayoría de nosotros no es que nuestros objetivos sean demasiado grandes y no los alcancemos, sino que sean demasiado pequeños y los consigamos. The greatest danger for most of us is not that our aim is too high and we miss it, but that is it too low and we reach it. If you set your goals like too low, you can, once you reach them, like you can become like stuck. But like if you reach your goals every time like higher and higher, like you keep going. El mejor tiempo para plantar un árbol fue hace 20 años. El segundo mejor tiempo es ahora, which means the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Better later than never. Sky's the limit. La felicidad no es algo que esté preconcebido. Te llega a través de tus propias acciones. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. It's not like happiness is something you like achieve when you reach your goals, but like happiness should also be the process. The past is past, and the future you don't know what will happen. So you can only be happy now. The sky's the limit. No hay atajos para llegar a un sitio que se precie. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. The escalator isn't going to give you happiness. Like when something comes easy, you don't really appreciate it. So it's when you work hard for something. The sky's the limit. Nunca serás capaz de cruzar el océano hasta que pierdas de vista la costa. You can never cross the ocean until you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. I guess it could be like good things happen when you get out of your comfort zone. You have to be brave and have the courage. Go for what you want. Recuerda siempre que tu propia resolución de triunfar es más importante que cualquier otra cosa. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. So if you think that there's a possibility of doing something, you will eventually like find a way to make that happen. Sé el cambio que quieres ver en el mundo. Be the change you want to see in the world. They say like first you have to start with yourself and then try to change the rest. And maybe also like if you change the way you are and you are like the type of person you want the others to be, like others will also be inspired by you maybe. So I don't know, like you can have a bigger effect that you can imagine by changing yourself. Sin prisas, pero sin pausas. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. It's all about working towards where you want to be. So even if it seems like you are not doing much, you are doing something. Step by step, it will lead you to the place you want to be. So just don't stop, don't be discouraged, and always do something. Todo tiro no hecho es tiro errado. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So it's always important like to try new things, and even if those things don't work out, they will teach you something. They will teach you that they didn't work out. Just do it. The sky's the limit. Yo soy Rosa. I am Rosa. The next phrase is yo soy plus your name. So in my case, yo soy Rosa, and it means I am Rosa. What's your name? ¿Has estado en España? Have you been to Spain? So the next question is, ¿has estado en España? Have you been to Spain? And if so, where have you been to? Don't forget to go to the south of Spain. It's very beautiful. ¿Qué es esto? What's this? ¿Qué es esto? What is this? So yeah, you can just point at something and ask another person, ¿qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto? Can you guess? ¿Qué has dicho? What did you say? ¿Qué has dicho? Which is, what did you say? When you didn't understand well what another person said. you can tell them, ¿qué has dicho? ¿Te gusta la comida española? Do you like Spanish food? ¿Te gusta la comida española? Do you like Spanish food? So, do you like Spanish omelets? Or what else can you like? Do you like gazpacho? Escuchar, listen. The next one is escuchar, which means to listen. So in this case, you are like paying attention to that you're hearing. I like listening to music while I study. Me gusta escuchar música mientras estudio. Hablar, speak, talk. The next one is hablar, which means to speak and talk. I speak Spanish, hablo español. I talk to my friends, hablo con mis amigas. Antes tenía el pelo muy largo, pero un fin de semana se me fue un poco la cabeza y decidí pegarme un tijeretazo y ahora tengo el pelo así bastante corto. Ver, see, understand. The next one is ver, which means to see and understand. I see you, te veo. Veo esa serie todos los días. I like watching that series every day. Mirar, look, watch, consider. The next one is mirar, which can be translated as look and watch and consider. Mirar something, it means that you are like consciously paying attention to that. I like watching people passing by. Me gusta mirar a la gente pasar. Poder, can. The next one is poder, can. Yes, we can. I can jump very high. Puedo saltar muy alto. I can eat very spicy food. Puedo comer comida muy picante. Aburrido, boring. The next word is aburrido, which means boring. My English teacher used to be very boring. Mi profesora de inglés era muy aburrida. Cleaning is boring. Limpiar es aburrido. Largo, long. The next one is largo, which means long. Me gustan las faldas largas. I like long skirts. Esta carretera es muy larga. This road is very long. Corto, short. The next one is corto, which means short. But we use this with objects, but not with people. Like we would say a person is bajo, but not corto. This composition is very short. Esta redacción es muy corta. Limpio, clean. The next one is limpio, which means clean. Mi habitación nunca está limpia, según mi madre. My room is never clean to my mother. Sucio, dirty. The next word is sucio, which means dirty. My hair is very dirty. I need to wash it. Mi pelo está muy sucio. Necesito lavarlo. When I played outside, I used to get very dirty. Cuando jugaba afuera, solía ensuciarme mucho. So this is the end of today's top 25 adjectives in Spanish. I hope you learned something useful and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.